Hello students, in this video we are going to learn all the important reaction of metals and non-metals. Let's start. Okay, reaction of metal with the oxygen. Whenever metal react with oxygen, it gives you metal oxide. For example, sodium plus oxygen, sodium oxide. Magnesium plus oxygen, magnesium oxide. Next, reaction of metal with the water. Metal react with water, it gives you metal hydroxide plus hydrogen. For example, sodium plus water, cold water, it gives you sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. Magnesium plus water, hot water gives you water, magnesium hydroxide plus hydrogen. Even metal react with the steam will give you metal oxide and hydrogen. For example, aluminium plus steam give you aluminum oxide plus hydrogen. Okay, iron plus steam give you water, iron oxide plus hydrogen. Next, reaction of metal with acid. Generally, metals react with dilute acid, it gives you salt plus hydrogen. For example, magnesium plus hydrochloric acid, magnesium chloride plus hydrogen. Zinc plus dilute sulfuric acid, give you what? Zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. Next, reaction of metal with the salt solution of another metal. For example, metal A plus salt of metal B gives you salt of metal A plus metal B. For example, okay, iron plus copper sulfate, which is blue color, gives you what? Iron sulfate plus copper, and color will change from blue to green. Yes or no? Next, how metals react with non-metal? They react by ionic bond, by transfer of electron. For example, metals plus non-metal, ionic compounds are formed. Sodium, which is having one valence electron, it will transfer its one electron to the chlorine atom. It will form Na plus and Cl minus ion. So you can see sodium will form Na plus, and chlorine after gaining one electron becomes Cl minus ion. Yes or no? So in this way, NaCl is formed. When we talk about the properties of ionic compound, they are generally crystalline solid. They are having high melting and boiling points because of a strong ionic bond. They are soluble in water but insoluble in organic solvent like petrol, kerosene. They are generally insulated in solid state but conduct electricity in molten state or aqueous state. Thank you.